What is up, guys? TJ got Kicks 89 back again with another review for you guys. Today I have got a skateboard deck that I just want to do a quick one of. It's a brand that I haven't ridden for quite a while, but it was on sale over at Zone 5 and I'm a sucker for 100 plus ringgit decks. So I have got the Toy Machine American Monster. This is a size 7.88 width with a 31.25 length, and I believe the wheelbase on this is just your standard 14 plus inch wheelbase. So it originally retailed for 235 ringgit over here in Zone 5 Malaysia, but this was on the clearance rack and it was going for 170 ringgit. So this is, I think, one of the most prominent designs. Actually, my Raja Boboy used to have this deck back in the day. He got used from another person, but I got this just because I need a 7.8 decks. I'm just trying to size it down just a little bit because my kick flips aren't consistent yet. So I initially ridden a 7.88 with my foundation deck, and I realized that kind of felt comfortable for a size 9 foot. The highest I could go was an 8.125, but it's good enough. You got the Toy Machine Monster there on the middle of the board. You've got the stars and stripes over the deck, basically. I love the graphic on this. You get a middle stain, which is indigo. It looks more navy and indigo, and the top stain is yellow with the All Hail the Loyal Pawns logo right there on the middle with the sect right in the middle. I believe a Toy Machine deck is shaped a little bit more flat compared to a foundation deck, but looking at where the plastic sits right here, it looks to be like a decent amount of concave with not too steep and not too mellow of a tail. It's just right in the middle, how skateboards were built, how the shapes were when I was skating, when I started skating. So you've got a Toy Machine sticker that comes with every Toy Machine deck. And yeah, Tumieto is one hell of a sick company. I believe that's the reason why I like riding their boards so much. Not to say that I don't like riding like Skate 1 skateboards or deluxe skateboards, but I've always just gravitated towards this shape and this style of a skateboard because I don't know. Like the whole Toy Machine team wasn't really that much of a team that I rocked with back in the day because of the whole like destroy, very punk rockish, zero rocker style. But then I started playing in a band, and I mean it's just a skateboard. You're gonna shred all of this anyway. So what's important when you do pick a skateboard is just the shape of it, the concave, the width of the tail, the style, the way that the nose and the tail is shaped, the wheelbase and whatnot. I believe like with this, Thunders and Indies would go well, but I'm planning to use the Tensor 10s, the lows, with a riser on this. But yeah, Toy Machine, blood-sucking company. Ed Templeton, thank you so much for this company and what you've done for skateboarding. TJ got Kicks 89. I'm out.